If you love sewing and shopping for fabrics online, then this new browser extension Coupert is for you. Coupert is a free browser extension that lets you save money online by automatically finding and applying the best coupon codes online. There's no more searching for discount codes or missing out on savings. Here's how it works. Once you install Coupert, it runs in the background and automatically tests your coupon codes while you're online shopping. Now, see that? Coupert found me money instantly. That's money back in my pocket without any extra effort. Getting started is very simple. Just follow these steps to install Coupert on your favorite browser. Signing up is just as easy. Go to Coupert's website and create an account using your phone number, email, or social media. Once you're in, you'll have access to exclusive coupons and cashback rewards. And it doesn't stop there. Coupert also gives you cashback rewards on many purchases. And it compares prices across stores, making sure that you get the best deal every time you shop. If you are not using Coupert yet, you are missing out on some big savings. Click the link in the description and start saving on all of your sewing supplies. Happy sewing and happy saving!